about thread. And you know what I'm saying? We've been thugging for about 6 years. COVID 2020. 2019, 2020. Yeah. Roughly 6, 7 years. 6, 7 years. This is my, I don't know what keyboard this is, but it was a gift. Somebody I work with gifted me this keyboard with the mouse. Because the other ones was crazy. You know what I'm saying? My soundboard, that's what the sounds I got. I got a good few selections. But my favorite one, you used to know this. Big pen for the win, my nigga. I didn't want to do this, but I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the PC and y'all give y'all a backstory on what all happened.
It's a fan behind PC.
This is where it all started. The famous chair. It's still usable though. It is still usable.